Hello everyone. Today the topic of our discussion is attenuation in optical fiber and its types. Before discussing about attenuation in optical fiber, let us first discuss what is optical fiber. Optical fiber is cable or wire used for transmission of light signal, and it works on the principle of total internal reflection. Now coming back to our topic, attenuation in optical fiber. When we pass light signal through optical fiber, it decreases its energy, power, intensity, and this decrease in energy or power or intensity of light signal while propagating through optical fiber is called attenuation loss, and it is given by attenuation constant alpha, which is equal to 10 by L log to the base 10 pi upon p naught, where L is length of optical fiber in kilometer, Pi is input power of light signal, and Po is output power of light signal. Alpha has unit of decibel per kilometer, which is attenuation constant. There are three reasons for attenuation in optical fiber, and these are mainly absorption, scattering, and bending. Now let us discuss about absorption. In optical fiber, when light signal travel from one end to another end, during this traveling, light signal interact with molecular structure. Molecular structure of optical fiber include atom of silica, SiO2. During the interaction, light transfer its energy to the silica atom, resulting in power loss, which is also called as attenuation loss, and thus attenuation in optical fiber is mainly caused. The second reason for attenuation in optical fiber is scattering. Now, when we during the manufacture process of optical fiber, some macroscopic densities like moisture, dust particles, etc. are interlocked inside the optical fiber. When light collide with such microscopic density, light gets scattered in all directions, which means when we construct optical fiber and if it contains microscopic density, then the light gets scattered in all directions, which result in attenuation loss. This scattering is also known as Rayleigh scattering, and it depends on wavelength of light, and it varies with 1 by lambda to the power 4. The third reason for attenuation loss is bending. Bending of optical fiber also cause attenuation. This loss is introduced during the installation process of optical fiber. It is classified into two types on the basis of radius of curvature of bend as follows. Now, let us discuss about macroscopic bending. In macroscopic bending, when R is greater than D, which means radius of curvature is far greater as compared to diameter of the core, the macroscopic bending takes place. Due to this bending, light has to travel extra distance in optical fiber. Though length of the optical fiber is same, in bend region the angle is less than critical angle. Because of this, light signal lost into cladding, resulting in power loss, which is known as attenuation loss. In this figure, we can see that R is greater than D. So this is macroscopic bending. Now the last reason for attenuation loss is microscopic bending. When light in optical fiber has small radius of curvature of bend as compared to diameter of core, then it is called as microscopic bending, that is when R is less than D. The loss due to microscopic bending can be avoided by using fine quality sheet or jacket. We can see microscopic bending loss from this diagram.